Welcome to the in front of me DOOGEE S86 Pro, and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere App on this device. So first we should go into the Play Store, and after that, just here in the search pool enter the Ampere. Now we should get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just click here to open the app, click yes I agree, click close. On the left down corner tap to OK, and now here we can see the section with the health information about our device battery health, so in my case that's good. Also here we have other information like the device model, the Android version, and another information like the battery level, capacity, temperature, and more and other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.